Welcome to our channel. If you want to add a payment method to Google Play for purchasing apps, games, or subscriptions, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. You can find it in your app drawer or home screen. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen to access your account menu. Step 3. Select Payments and Subscriptions from the drop-down menu, then tap on Payment Methods. Step 4. Tap the Add Payment Method button at the bottom of the screen to begin adding your new payment option. Step 5. Choose your preferred payment method from the available options: credit or debit card, PayPal, or Google Play gift cards. Step 6. If adding a card, enter your card number, expiration date, CVV security code, and billing address information in the required fields. Step 7. Review the information you've entered to ensure accuracy, then tap Save to add the payment method to your account. Step 8. Your new payment method will now appear in your payment methods list and can be set as your default option for future purchases. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.